What's up? How's it going?
I want to try this out. You've probably had this before. Café Bustelo espresso instant coffee. I'm all about trying new things, seeing what's the fuss about things like this that are in stores. So we're going to make a cup, taste it, give you my first impressions of it. We'll go from there, okay? Let's go ahead and get the water going. 6 ounces of hot water or milk. We're gonna do water, open, pour, stir, and enjoy, okay? I haven't had instant coffee in a long time, and this is espresso instant coffee. I don't really know the difference, but we are going to try it anyway. It may be good. I'll try not to put my nose into it. I mean, I'm gonna smell it though. It doesn't smell bad. It has a sweetness on it, chocolate sweetness on it. Okay, so we're gonna put this in here. The package is about 3.2 grams. 6 ounces, 30, 180. So we'll just change it to to ounces. And now we pour. There we go, 6 ounces on the dot. We're gonna use our spoon. It's about 190 degrees Fahrenheit, probably like 85 degrees Celsius. This is my first cup of coffee today. Just testing this out, seeing what it's all about. Again, here's the package. Café Bustelo, instant sticks, enjoy the rich, full-bodied flavor that will stand up to both milk and sugar like no other. Okay, let's see how it tastes. Tastes like what you think a coffee should taste like. I think non-specialty, a little less than my Brazilian coffee. I'm not tasting any bitterness though, not really. It kind of lingers a little bit. I'm sure when it cools down, it's gonna be even more or so pronounced. But first impression, it works actually. It's instant coffee. Will I drink it on a regular? Not really. It doesn't really have any character to it. It just has like a one-notey type of coffee type of taste, if you know what I mean. So keep tasting it. It's burning my tongue already because it's too hot. Interesting. It works. It really does work. Is it espresso? Not really. It's not as strong as it should be for espresso. If I did less coffee, it'll probably be more closer to an espresso type of strength level. But this is 6 ounces, instant coffee, espresso instant coffee. So it's like more so like Americano. That's what I would say that it is, the taste wise. Okay, some of the bitterness is starting to come through as it cools a little bit. And again, some people may like it or may not like it. And the thing about this too is that, let's not kid ourselves, most people will have different things with it. They'll have either with milk, creamer, sugar, or whatnot. So this works really well. You know, it's a dark roast. More so, yeah, it is a dark roast, medium to dark roast. I normally don't have coffee this hot. I just like to wait for it to cool down. But it's fine. We're just testing this out just to see what we taste and what we like and if we like it or not. But I recommend this. I would actually recommend this. I would. Depending on the application that you're going for, what do you want to do? What do you like? This coffee does work really well for most applications. If I was on a porch somewhere and my power went out in a pinch, yeah, I'll drink this. If I just needed that caffeine fix, right? But if I was in the mountains or camping, which a lot of people do, this may work just perfectly for them. You know, just a quick instant cup of coffee. This is a 6 ounce, so I know some people are talking about bigger cups of coffee, so you're gonna probably have to use 2 of these for that bold, strong flavor, as they say, that's on the cup. And it's kind of there, it's there, you know, but again, it doesn't have any real flavors. It's not fruity at all. It's not complex as specialty coffee people will say. It doesn't have a degree of layers of flavors and intensity and aroma, especially when you first smell it. So I would assume that it will probably get a little bit more bitter as you keep drinking it, but it's fine. It's fine. It works, you know, so pick me up, whatnot, you can have it. It's really easy to prepare too. All you need is hot water. Well, I recommend this. Actually, yes, depending on the application that you have for your coffee, for that moment and that mood and all that stuff. That's my thoughts, initial thoughts, only thoughts probably. I'll probably only have this when I'm in a pinch, like I just mentioned earlier. And I will try to drink it as fast as I can while it's hot, but we'll see how it tastes once it cools. This is future oaky. I'm drinking this coffee again. It's cooled down, more approachable. It does taste old, stale a little bit. I thought it was gonna get bitter. It didn't get bitter. It's just literally just cafe type of coffee. That's what it is. That's what it tastes like. Chocolate notes, sure. That's the default that most people go to when a coffee doesn't really have that much flavor to it, no fruitiness on it. This is what that is right here. It's diner coffee. That's exactly what it is. So it's more approachable now. It's cooled down. So I think people should drink coffee a little bit lower temperature, but teach their own. If you like it the way you like it, drink it the way you want to. You start to taste the coffee a little bit more, and sometimes the initial impression that you get from the coffee is false. It's not false, but that's at that temperature. And as it cools down, it gets more approachable and all that good stuff, right? So, that's perfect coffee for milk and creamer, whatever else you want to add to it. Black, it's fine. If you just need to pick me up, like I said, just trying to take it back and just move on with your day. You're not really trying to enjoy it. The instant espresso coffee works perfect. So would I recommend it? For those reasons, yes. On a daily, no. But truthfully, it was pretty cheap. This is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, I just had one. So 6 total. So this is 6 packages, about a 6-ounce cup. So if I was drinking the way I normally drink, which I drink more, 1 cup a day, this was $1.18. So if you're really just in a pinch and you don't want to fool around with coffee at all, this is really cheap. You can add milk, sugar, and all that stuff. Perfect for that one day. If you get one of these a day, one of these a week, skip a day, drink some coffee. Drink some tea or something like that. If you're trying to do one package a day, or don't do any coffee at all. But this is really cheap. So again, if that's what you want, that's your jam. If you want something simple, I recommend this. On those reasons, yes. So talk to you later. Bye.